We love a new gadget, especially one with so many uses. Whether you're looking for a portable s'mores station, a warming fire, or just an ambience upgrade, a tabletop fire pit is calling your name. There are many products available to choose tabletop fire pits, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tabletop fire pits from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Teraflame Tabletop Firebowl Zen. This 14-pound stone firebowl will look just as good indoors as it will out. It's sold with 3 13-ounce cans of Teraflame gel fuel that crackle to mimic the sound of a real campfire. And since each can of ethanol gel burns for up to 3 hours, you'll never miss a moment of sunset. Number 2. Culson Portable Rubbing Alcohol Fireplace. This ultra-portable fireplace brings good vibes with you wherever you go. Fill it with either 70% or 91% isopropyl alcohol, and enjoy between 40 and 50 minutes of fire at a time. For the vessel's petite size, the flame is shockingly large. Number 3. Bond Manufacturing Mara Umbrella Hull Tabletop Gas Firebowl. This rectangular model can be connected through the umbrella hull of your outdoor dining table to a 20-pound propane tank. This creates a smokeless and odorless flame with just a lit match and the twist of a knob. It's a great option if you're looking for a super long burn time. Number 4. Colsen Custom Tabletop Rubbing Alcohol Fireplace. This beauty comes in both gray and black. The coolest part? You have the option to get it engraved with a custom order phrase. Fill it with either 70% or 91% isopropyl alcohol. Number 5. Cuisinart Co 700 Petite Tabletop Firebowl. Cuisinart products are as trustworthy as they can get. Simply add bioethanol fuel and light the wick. The blue-green fiberglass stones add a special touch. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.